Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Finding the maximum value in a Python array, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In Python, arrays are an essential data structure that allows you to store and manipulate a collection of elements. When working with arrays, it's common to need to find the maximum value within the array. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to find the maximum value in a Python array, along with code examples for each approach. Conclusion. Finding the maximum value in a Python array is a common operation, and there are multiple ways to achieve this. Depending on your specific use case and the type of array you're working with, you can choose the method that best fits your needs. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the built-in max function, the control of a loop, or the power of the numpy library, these examples should help you confidently find the maximum value in your arrays. ChatGPT.